What are you talking about? Can you get your toy? Can you get it? Oh. Oh, did you decide other stuff was better? Well, there you go. There's your toy. Yay! Don't fall down. Oh, you found more stuff. Can you get your blanket? Oh, so close. So close. You're so close. You're so close. It's right there. Oh my goodness. Is it kind of scary to be up there? There's your blanket. Can you get it? You can get it. You can get it. Reach up. Here's your blanket. Yay. Oh. 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 It fell down. Can you get it now? Yay! You got it. Can you get down? How are you gonna get down? Don't fall down. You're just standing propped up there. Oh my goodness. You're standing forever and ever. Are you getting tired? Are you tired? Oh! You picked it up off the floor. Oh my goodness. Yay! Ah, yes, yes. It is the beginning of the end.